Hi, welcome back to the short tutorial. In this video, I will teach you how to download Reels from the Instagram in your phone or a phone gallery. So how you can do it, watch this video till the end, and if this video really helps you out, do subscribe to my channel. So by default, download Reel option is not available on the Instagram. So don't worry about it. You don't need to download any kind of the application. After that, you have to select the reel you want to download. So let's suppose I want to download this reel to my phone. Click on the three dot icon and you have to click on the link. Simply you have to copy this link and go back. After that, open your browser, any browser you are using, and right here you have to search for the Instagram reel video download. Click on it and multiple websites will be appear here. You can select any website. All websites are working well. Paste your link right here and click on the download. Once you will do it, in a few seconds your video will be start downloading, and this is the simple way. Hope this video will helpful for you. If you have any question or any confusion, just drop a comment. I will try to help you. Thank you.